Hey, it's Marek. The idea for this post was born during a call with an executive team of a particular organization who told me proudly that their Copilot rollout would be finished in 2028. I nearly spat coffee on my keyboard, and I'm not joking. That's when I realized AI adoption looks a lot like a mullet. So, in this episode, I'm reading you my newsletter post AI is a mullet. I'll share why individuals move overnight while organizations move at committee speed and what to do about it. Let's dive in. AI is a mullet. Sharp in the front, chaos in the back, and your Copilot rollout plan proves it. We're rolling out Copilot to all our employees, the exec announced on our call, practically glowing with innovation. When will it be done? I asked. 2028. And I'm still cleaning coffee off my keyboard. By 2028, their employees' kids will have graduated from ChatGPT to whatever comes next. Their vacuum cleaners have been using advanced AI to go around poop since 2021. But sure, let's take 3 years to roll out yesterday's technology. That's when I realized AI adoption looks almost exactly like a mullet. Business in the front, chaos, not party, in the back. On paper, more than 80% AI, not just GenAI, projects fail, which is twice the rate of general IT projects that do not involve AI. Meanwhile, 58% of workers intentionally use AI at work, and by some estimates from last year, 75% of knowledge workers do. How come organizations struggle to demonstrate ROI of AI projects, yet employees keep adopting it at breakneck speed? It can't be that workers are just playing around. There clearly is value. It's just organizations cannot measure it. The disconnect is so stark, it needs a name. I call it the Mullet Model. AI fluency in the front, AI deployment chaos in the back. Picture the guy at the bank meeting. From the front, sharp suit, crisp preparation, talks about digital transformation. Then he turns around. That messy party in the back? That's his 3-year Copilot rollout plan. Students ace assignments with ChatGPT while universities ban laptops at exams. Developers save 10 hours weekly while their CTOs debate responsible AI frameworks. Individual adoption happens at human speed, overnight. Organizational adoption happens at committee speed, geological. AI value shows up first where nobody is measuring and last where everybody is demanding metrics. Short in the front, fast, messy, useful. The front is where things move fast. In less than 2 years, AI has progressed from curiosity to near ubiquity. Today, 92% of UK students report using AI tools in their studies, up from 66% the previous year. They already treat it like Wikipedia or a calculator, and policy is playing catch-up. Atlassian's 2025 State of DevX reveals that 99% of developers use AI at work, with 68% of them saving 10 hours or more per week. They write code, test snippets, and generate documentation. They can use the saved time to improve code quality, just as I discussed last week. Awkward in the middle. Everyone's using it, no one will say it. Imagine, a professor spots an AI-written assignment, or so they think. Remember Phantom AI? The marking guide doesn't say what counts as too much AI help. Do they fail the student, ignore it, or cling to handwritten exams? You know what's the easiest? Pretending not to notice. But don't quote me on that. I work for a university. Meanwhile, students keep using AI anyway. Or this one, your marketing team. Everyone's secretly using ChatGPT for campaigns, Claude for copywriting, Midjourney for mockups. But when the CEO asks about our AI roadmap, Crickets. The tools are on everyone's browser. They're just not in any budget line. Not fluent, not ignorant, stuck where business meets chaos. Long in the back, friction, dashboards, U-turns. This is where programs stall, pilots multiply, and metrics look anemic, even while frontline value compounds. Case in point, Commonwealth Bank cut 45 customer service roles after rolling out a voice bot. The idea was simple: reduce routine call volumes and improve efficiency. But calls didn't fall. They skyrocketed. Leaders landed on phones, the union pushed back. Within weeks, CBA had to apologize and reverse the cuts. Business in the front, chaos in the back. Gartner predicts 30% of GenAI projects will be abandoned after proof of concept by end of 2025. S&P Global found the failure rate jumped from 17% to 42% in just 1 year. The enterprise paradox is real. Individual utility is obvious. Institutional return on investment is elusive. My take? Organizations are measuring the wrong unit of analysis. They inspect the pilot, not the end-to-end improvement. The P&L, not the time saved or quality gained. The program, not the person. Why mullets happen? Several forces help the AI mullet grow. Or in other words, if you lead an organization, do everything you can to prevent these ones from happening. First one, permission asymmetry. When you want to try ChatGPT, you just do it. Permissionless innovation at its best. When an organization wants to try ChatGPT, it needs legal review, security assessment, procurement approval, and a steering committee. Individual permission, 0 seconds. Organizational permission, 6 months. Now, don't say 3 years, or I'll have to clean my keyboard again. Number 2, value misalignment. You save an hour writing that report. It's so much better too. That's immediate, tangible value. But your org cannot put Sarah saved an hour or quality soared on a P&L statement. They need 20% productivity improvement across 10,000 employees. Sorry, Sarah. No one cares that you found a way to work smarter. The value is real at the human scale and invisible at the enterprise scale. Number 3, the antibody response. Organizations are designed to reject change. It's a feature, not a bug. You don't want your bank trying every shiny new thing. Hello, CBA. But you also don't want it to stay stuck in 2010. AI isn't a new system. It's thousands of micro tools infiltrating everywhere at once. The organizational immune system goes haywire like an allergic reaction to the future. Employees get fluent while executives debate. The front races ahead while the back deliberates. The playbook, or how to cut a better mullet. First, start at the front. Do not design adoption from the boardroom. Map where employees or students are already using AI. That's where fluency is real. Second, style the middle. Your people are already in the awkward zone. They're secretly prompting, quietly producing. Measure their hidden wins. Faster drafts, fewer iterations, better outputs. What's not in the budget is already in the building. Third, cut the back. Stop bloated pilots that go nowhere. If something shows real value, integrate it quickly. If not, kill it. Pilots are hairstyles. They age poorly if you hang on too long. Which reminds me, I need to visit a barber this weekend. I wrote it before the weekend. I went to the barber this weekend. This is being recorded on a Monday. Back to the article. Every organization has 3 AI adoption speeds: employee speed, overnight, IT speed, quarterly, and committee speed, geological. The length of your mullet is the distance between them. Stop measuring programs. Start measuring people. Sarah saved an hour and improved the quality. That's your ROI. Multiply by 10,000 Sarahs. Now you're getting somewhere. The Tuesday test. Poll your people on AI use. Then poll your execs on what they think usage is. The gap is your AI mullet length. So that's the article. Now, I hate that I use this ROI acronym all the time there. ROI stands for return on investment. For those of you who are wondering, what am I talking about there? I hope you enjoyed the read. I went to the barber. We did not talk about AI mullets, but we did see some mullets around. And I think, those metaphors are really good or memorable sometimes when we talk about those technologies. So I might be using those slightly cringy metaphors every now and then. Lots of comments on Substack, even more comments in a version of this article on LinkedIn. So if you're interested in views of others, check out those places as well. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed me reading it, and I'll speak to you next week. Stay curious.